Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is the weekly outlook video, and so this is for August 18th, and this past week we had inflation data, and so this week the big thing that we have coming up on Wednesday is the FOMC meeting minutes, and then a bunch of stuff coming out of Europe on Thursday, unemployment Thursday, and Canadian core retail sales on Friday. So it's going to be kind of quiet leading up to then, but Wednesday and Thursday are going to be super volatile, I'd expect. So, you know, I talked about this in the past couple videos. The summer trading is coming to an end, and we have the fall trading, which is typically way more explosive, and then, of course, we have something big in November, which is the election. So that's going to be massive on the market. So, but if we look at the dollar, you know, we're seeing dollar weakness pretty much across the board. You know, the inflation numbers were slightly lower this past week, so that's signaling maybe we're going to be, or the Fed Chairman Powell, FOMC, will be more dovish, meaning talking about cutting rates back. I doubt they'll do it this upcoming Wednesday, but maybe they will make some sort of plan in terms of rates moving forward. If they do, that's going to be very weak for the dollar. So Euro USD is lined up here pretty decently. I would have liked to have seen a rally higher, but you know, we're Euro trying to make some moves happen. I was in a short on Euro New Zealand, got taken out here at entry, and then re-entered off of the hourly here, but it looks a little something like that. Right at my fib level, 78.6, 86.3, and we're trading pretty bearish, but that is more on the New Zealand strength side. Right, so if we take a look at some of these New Zealand pairs, especially in the 4 hour, and we're seeing some significant strength. Specifically, I really like this NZD-USD chart because now this big move right here was RBNZ I talked about last week, and you know, we saw some weakness following that event, but things have bounced back. And this could be a good candidate for next week if we see the markets rally. And by markets, I'm talking about a move higher in NASDAQ, S&P. Now, the right when I'm shooting this, the Friday open hasn't happened yet, but you know, we're seeing some sell-offs right now. So it'll be interesting to see how we close the week in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and I mean, this is just like picture perfect from this high to the low here, and this is my kill zone right there, and it just tapped it. So it'll be interesting to see how that opens or closes the week, and then gold just still pumping testing all-time highs here, and doesn't look to be stopping, right? So there we are in the 2 hour, 1 hour. So we'll see how we close Friday. Again, it's about 8:35 a.m. when I'm shooting this. And, you know, if these start pushing higher, this is specifically because of these potential rate cuts, which is going to be happening on Wednesday. So keep an eye out on that. And that's going to be huge for the dollar. You know, you can see this too in pound GU, which is surprising because a lot of unrest has been going on in the UK right now, for sure. So it's going to be interesting how some of these pound pairs play out. So let's have an awesome week, everybody. Appreciate y'all. Let's make it happen and finish August strong. Let's get it. Peace.